In this video I am going to tell you how to install Node.js. Go on your browser, search Node.js, go on this first link, get Node.js. So you are doing for Windows, so just install, or if you want to change your device, Mac or Linux, you can change from here. You can also change here, like if you want to recommend Docker, NVM or anything, you can change from here. Now again you can change if you want with npm or yarn or something else, and this is the version which you are going to get. So go on Windows installer, MSI. So Node.js is installed, so we are going to open the file, click on next, click I accept the terms and license agreement, click next. This is the part where your Node.js is going to go, click on next. So these are the things that will going to be installed, so click on next, click on automatically install the necessary tools and all, click on next, click on install. This will install. Now you have to click yes. Now it start installing. Now installation is complete, click on finish, press any key you want, like I have pressed. Now cut this, go on your command prompt, write cmd, open this. Now we are going to check whether it is installed or not, so write node hyphen version, and we have version 24.16.0. that means our Node.js is installed properly.